How to get Microsoft Rewards unlimited points. Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to share some tips on how to maximize your Microsoft Rewards points. While there is no guaranteed way to get unlimited points, these strategies will help you make the most of your Microsoft Rewards program. So let's dive in. So if you haven't already, sign up for Microsoft Rewards. You can join through the Microsoft Rewards website or app. Make sure to use your Microsoft account to log in. Now, Microsoft Rewards offers daily quests that you can complete to earn points. These tasks often include searching with Bing, taking quizzes, or completing specific offers. Make sure to complete these daily quests to earn consistent points. Switch your default search engine to Bing and use it regularly. Microsoft Rewards offers points for every search you perform through Bing. Aim to do your daily searches and maximize your points. Check for weekly and monthly offers in the Microsoft Rewards dashboard. These offers often include additional ways to earn points, such as completing surveys, signing up for newsletters, or shopping online. Microsoft often has special challenges or promotions that offer bonus points, so keep an eye on the rewards dashboard for any current challenges or limited time offers. Make purchases through the Microsoft Store to earn points. You can also refer friends through some referral programs that allow you to earn points by inviting friends, and take advantage of the bonus point promotions. Check for partner offers and stay updated with Microsoft Rewards news. And that's it for today's video on maximizing your Microsoft Rewards points. While there is no way to get unlimited points, using these strategies will help you earn more effectively. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.